Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading. If anyone interested to join with me, you can open a trading account and you can also doing the trading account with me. Okay, and let's move on to the video, and we are discussing about the doji candles because the candlesticks pattern is the biggest subject. There you are seeing one by one candlesticks patterns. Today we are talking about the next session about the long legged doji, and also we are going to the long legged doji is called as uh, I waved doji. So the long legged doji is the I wave doji is formed when the open and the close are at the same price during the large average daily range. So that simply it means there will be a big range for a high and low, and but the open and close price are equal to and ending with the samest level. So that is we called as long legged doji. It has upper and lower shadows. That we called upper and lower shadow is nothing but so the wicks, the upper and lower shadows. This doji is called as long legged doji or I wave doji. It forms after a uptrend or a downtrend, so it have the reliable reversal in nature. Okay, when market moves bullishness and whenever it going down, if the sell confirmation that for example if it is a previous candle and second candle it forms looks like a doji, and how we can effectively do the trading based on this long doji when it forms at a top, at the top or at the bottom. So what it happen if it is forms at the bottom, we have the first candle and second candle which forms a long legged doji, and third candle must be down in trend. Okay, for example if the third candle should be a red candle, like a red in candle, and just wait. Yeah, when it closes below the doji candle low, so the long legged doji, so there will be a confirmation. So there will be a confirmation on the trend reversal. Confirmation on the trend reversal. When the confirmation happen, we are going to take the trade below the level and sell up, sell level, and by stop loss place above this level. Stop loss above this level, and by place your sell order on the confirming candle low or confirm below the confirmation candle. So this is the candle which confirming below the close. This is what confirmation candle of the trend reversal. Trend reversal. Then you can take the trade. So let's take about some real examples of these stocks. For example, so I have searched so many stocks. It forms this kind of patterns. Let's check Ambuja Siemens on daily basis whether it forms this kind of pattern or not using the candlesticks pattern. It looks like it's not an exact doji candle, so we will wait for a exact doji candle where it happens. So I can show you some doji candles. I have seen Cipla. I think I have seen Cipla as a some fine doji candle. Yeah, you see that there will be a fine doji candle, and previously it forms it is a doji at the bottom. So this is the real example for doji at bottom. So it is not a doji at top. Long legged or I wave doji. So this is called I wave doji. So the real example, if you are following these patterns, so you have you got around the 22nd or 23rd this doji formation. After that market, so previously the trend was going down, the previous trend was going down, and it forms a clear high wave doji, and the next candle which closes above the high of this candle is the confirming candle, confirmation candle. Confirmation, you got a confirmation, and then what you are going to do, how to take the trade. So here you got a down in trend, previous trend is downtrend. So now we got a long legged doji, and we find out there will be a confirmation of the trend reversal, and you have to buy above this level and your stop loss for the trade is this, and you got a target of 1:1 or 1:2 according to the your time frame of your trading. So here let's show you. This one is a little bit tough. So 390, let's wait. Yeah, this doji candle which forms 474.80 and 474.70, so it is equal the level, and 390 and 362. 390 and 362 is your the long legged doji level. And next candle which breaks 399. So here this candle forms a 400, and this particular candle which forms 399. So it broke the high above this candle. So here this particular candle is breaks above the high. So the doji candle which forms the level, so people normally what they are do, so whenever it broke the doji high, we are taking the trade, but that is not an exact thing. And when the next candle is confirmation, so this is doji at bottom, and this is the confirmation candle, and after confirmation then only you can try to do buy, and this is what your stop loss. And what should be your stop loss and target for the trade? So you are taking entry around 399, 400, 362 is your stop loss, almost 38 point. So after you are taking this long trade, so where market went to 446, here you are taken 38 point risk for the trade, 38 point risk. So here you got a 38 plus profit, so you got a 40 plus profit. So this is the trade we are using, the long legged doji at a bottom. So we can see the long legged doji at a top. If any chances, we have the chances to get, we can see if you have anything which forms. Let's check levels. So if you are daily tracking this kind of formations, you can easily know where it happened, and if you're daily checking on the same, so you will be have the chances to get more chances to take your intraday and positional trade, so working very well. So Titan, as in these are the stocks which forms today. So you see that there will be doji like in candle. Yeah, you see that here exactly doji like candle. Here doji like candle, previously trend goes up and it again it struggles, and we have to waiting for the trend reversal. This was forming at a bottom, so top. So here we are finding out the doji candle which forms at a top. So what happened? So here we find out the doji at top, so what is the level? You see, check it out. Here you see that there will be a higher trend, there will be a doji which forms an higher level, and previously here also we are finding out the doji. Here, yeah, this one you find out, this doji which a high is 1270, 1235. So here this candle 1270, 1235, these are the levels which forms the doji. Next candle it breaches both the levels. Next candle which breaks both the levels. If you are doing based on the doji levels, both your stop loss got trigger. Whether if you are buying here, your stop loss may be get trigger, or selling here, your stop loss. So here I got a confirmation about the down trend. So there will be a downtrend, we got an opportunity. So here the reversal may happen. So when it breaks the below the low or below the high, this is the you have to understand clearly. So here there will be a doji candle, and second candle is the confirming candle, it confirms. Either both the sides breaks. So I am taken the entry below this, and this as my stop loss. And finally this will given me a big benefit. And again here you see that there will be a doji candle which forms at bottom. It is already downtrend, it is forming at bottom, so I am not getting any confirmation candle here. So you have to see the high waved or long legged doji when it formed at top or bottom. So if it is forms a bottom, try to wait for a buy signal. If it is forms a top, try to wait for a sell signal. The important things, you have to wait for the confirmation candle. So after confirmation candle only you can decide for your trend, and you can go and trade with the candlesticks. So that's about this video. I hope this may be useful to you all. And if you are I'll you can comment it. If you want to continue these things, you can comment it and we can do a lot more about this thing. And thanks for being with me, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If anyone want to learn my option paid strategies, you can go for that, and we are taking the class for this Saturdays and Sundays. Anyone who interested, you can join. And this is the videos we can make. We have the lot of free times, so what we do today, a market holiday, that's why we are doing these things. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.